Is your iPhone speaker sound too quiet? It can be annoying when you are trying to enjoy music, watch videos, or hear notifications. Don't worry. This guide will show you easy fixes to boost your iPhone speaker volume. Let's dive in. Before you do anything, turn off low power mode. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Now, turn off Bluetooth. Solution 1. Check important audio setting. Open setting. Scroll down. Tap sounds and haptics. Enable change with buttons. Make sure to turn up the volume to the maximum level. Solution 2. Adjust audio. Open setting. Scroll down. Tap accessibility. Scroll down. Tap audio and visual. Turn on mono audio. Scroll down. Make sure to set this audio point in the middle. Solution 3. If none of these solve your issues, then try giving your iPhone a reset all settings. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and select Reset all settings. Confirm your choice. Note, this will not erase your data but will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper. Once your iPhone restarts, check if the sound works on YouTube. Now that you know how to fix the low speaker sound on your iPhone, you're all set. If this guide was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.